This is Dr. Sivakant Pathak once more in front of you to see one more topic, that is motion in lift. Here in this chapter we will discuss about the apparent weight in the lift. What is this apparent weight in lift of a person? See carefully. This topic we are going to see here in the different case. To study this, let us consider a person of mass m standing in lift on waving machine. See here in the diagram, let it is a lift, right? In this lift there is waving machine here, which represent here, and the person is standing on the lift on a waving machine here in the case, right? In this case we will see the weight measured by the waving machine of a person under the different cases. If the mass is m, then real weight W is equal to m into z. Write as a equation number 1. We will discuss in the first case. Consider a certain case 1. What is that? When lift is at rest. See carefully. In this case, when lift is at rest, we are knowing that its weight of a person always acting downward and reaction always acts upward. Here acceleration in person is 0. So net force on system is equal to R minus mg is equal to 0. This implies that R is equal to mg. So reaction force R is equal to here mg. So this can be represented as equation number 2. Listen one thing very carefully here in this case or any one of the case. Apparent weight is equal to reaction weight. Reaction weight on waving machine. Here in this case mg is equal to real weight. So here in this case, when lift is at rest, the waving machine will read apparent weight is equal to real weight mg of body. See very carefully in this case. Now in the second case, see, when lift is moving with uniform velocity. Lift is moving with uniform velocity. See here carefully in this case. Let this box lift room where the waving machine is given. Person is standing on the lift waving machine. Lift is moving in any one of the case, either moving upward with velocity v or moving downward with velocity v. We can see under a special case, see by this color, upward oblique downward. See, in both cases either moving upward and downward. Velocity uniform implies that no acceleration. So according to Newton's second law, no acceleration implies that no force. So in this case, the other forces which are acting here, weight mg always downward, and in the opposite reaction force. So balance of force here in this case, reaction force, only two forces acts, and the balancing of this is r minus mg is 0. This implies that r is equal to mg. So here apparent weight is equal to reaction force on machine. This is equal to mg is equal to real weight. See in this case where, see, let this is equation number 3 and it is 4. So real, in both the cases, the waving machine will be read the apparent weight which is obtained by the waving machine is equal to the real weight of person. Now see one more case here in it, that is case third. Lift is moving upward with acceleration a. See here in this case, when lift is moving upward with acceleration a, here in the third case, let this lift box here in it, lift box where a person is standing. and lift is moving upward with acceleration A. Here in this case, and we see how many forces acting accelerate here in it. Here in this case, listen very carefully. Acceleration acts. It means variable velocity, variable velocity is equal to force act. External force act on it. See, here in the first case either or in second case, when acceleration in person is 0 implies that no force act. Here is also no force act, but here force act. Now see how its weight and reaction acting here in the case. Now see the other forces which balance here. See in the by black color seat is its weight always act downward. Here in this case, according to all these cases, reaction acting upward. See here upward force is act. It means that reaction is not exactly equal to mg, but it is greater than that. So we are going to represent by R1 here in the case reaction force. See here carefully. mg weight always act downward due to gravity. So using second law of motion, upward force is acting here in this case. See here, this upward force, let it is capital F, is equal to ma is equal to, see here, upward force is more. Here in the, see inside the box, R1 acting downward and weight is acting, R1 is acting upward, mg is acting downwards. So resultant force is R1 minus mg. We can write it as a new equation number here up to 4, then we can write here 5. Now by solving this, one can write R1 is equal to mg plus ma. This is R1 is equal to mg plus a. See question 6. Here in this case, R1 is greater than the reaction force obtained in the case of either rest or moving with uniform velocity. So in this case we can write apparent weight is equal to weight shown on waving machine is equal to mg plus a. It means that on moving upward with acceleration a, person feels increasing weight. See you, the reaction force R1 is equal to mg plus a, so effective weight increases. See carefully here in the case. Now we are going to see the fourth case here in the combination. What is the fourth case here? Lift is moving downward with acceleration A. See what happens when person is moving in a lift, standing on lift on a weaving machine, and lift is moving downward with acceleration. See here in the diagram. This diagram will clearly see. Let it is lift. Weaving machine, its pointer is here. Let person is standing here on surface of lift on the weaving machine. This lift is moving down with acceleration. It means acceleration acts. Acceleration acts here. This implies that velocity, if acceleration acts, velocity changes. This implies that force act. Here in the case first and second case, no force act, resultant force act. But here in the case either third or fourth, when lift is moving with acceleration either upward or downward, force act. Now see the other forces which act here. See the weight of person acting downward, always here in the case. Reaction force R2 acts upward according to Newton's third law of motion. Now see these two forces, balancing of these two forces. Here resultant force act downward. This implies that tent force F act downward. Seen downward, so according to second law of motion, Newton's second law of motion, this force is equal to mass into acceleration is equal to acting downward means weight is more and reaction R2 is less. So resultant force in the direction of weight, see two forces are here acting downward. So this downward force is due to the weight here, then we can write mg minus R2. This implies that R2 is equal to mg minus ma. This is mg minus a R2. So here in this case, see this is a forces acting here in a case. We can represent by equation number 7 and 8 here in the case. Now see, if R2 is equal to mg minus a, then apparent weight similarly equal to weight given in machine, weaving machine, is equal to R2 is equal to mg minus a. This implies that lift moving down, see here in this case R2 is less than R. Here in this case, just opposite to the case number 3. It means lift moving down. Lift moving down with acceleration. See what happens when it is moving down with acceleration here. Person feels decrease in weight. See, it is a G minus E. The effect of gravity seems to be decreases. So two important points we get in all these explanations. Lift is moving, person is standing on a lift. Three cases, lifted at rest. The apparent weight and real weight are same. Lift is either moving upward or downward with uniform velocity. Same as case number 1. The apparent weight is equal to real weight. But apparent weight is different from real weight in a case when lift is moving upward or downward with acceleration, means variable velocity. So it's moving upward. Person experience reaction G plus A, M, G plus A. M, G plus A means increase in weight. See carefully. In second case, when it's moved down, the reaction force is mg minus a, so it is decrease in weight. Here in the case number 4, see the special case. Here is one special case only. What is this special case? When a string of lift broke. In case of broken lift, then lift will fall under gravity. This implies that lift will fall under gravity. This implies that A is equal to G. In that condition, apparent weight R2 is equal to M G minus G. That is M into 0 is equal to 0. That is condition of weightlessness. See, very important. Everybody, this is the case. When it's fall, in that condition, the weight of body on waving machine will read 0 reading. No reading on waving machine. No reading on waving machine. Why it is? Because reaction is 0. No. If pendulum clock on is situated on wall, it will show infinite time period. Why? Because time period is equal to 2 pi under root L by G, and G is equal to 0. Effective gravity is 0, so it is 2 by pi under root L by 0 is infinite. See, this is the case. So, see the apparent weight under the different conditions. Condition of weightlessness. In a condition when weight seems to be increased and this feel by a person in increasing, or in case of decreasing. If pendulum clock is there, when pendulum clock will show infinite time interval for one complete oscillation will complete in infinite time. So these are case, see very carefully. If you have any problem, please rewind and see. It will be very helpful for you. This is very important topic here in the Newton's laws of motion, right? So go through with that. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day.